In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find the font from an image. Now, what I've got ahead and done is gone through Google, tried lots of different websites, and I've settled on this. This is FontSquirrel, and what I'll do is link this down in the description. Now, once you're on here, all you have to do is take your image and drag it onto the page, just like that. We then have the option to crop the font, just like this. So depending on what the image looks like, will depend on what you're going to crop. But once you've done that, we want to click just here, and then we're going to give it a second. And then we're going to get lots of similar fonts. Now, you might not the exact font, different similar ones, and it's going to show you how much that font costs and give you lots of different options and also free ones as well. So right here, this is FontSquirrel and it's free, or on FontSquirrel. But if we take a look, we have lots of similar fonts now, which are very close to this original one just here. So if we take a look at this free one, we can see it is very similar. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to find the font from an image here on FontSquirrel. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.